In this video, we will show you how to become an instructor on 3din.com. Go to www.3edim.com. Sign in or create an account. Once you are logged in, please complete your bio before requesting an instructor account. After submitting your request, you'll receive a notification within 24 hours. Then, the option to create your first course will appear on your dashboard. You are now an instructor on the platform. Follow us to learn how you can easily create an online course.